The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Bill, very good morning. Hey, Pat, good morning. Fellas, good morning, good morning. Rich. Guys, very good morning. It is Wednesday, December 4th. Chris, Terry, guys, good morning. Mark, it is crude inventory day. Sorry, guys, I was just grabbing a sip of coffee here. In any event, crude is moving up. Markets are moving up. Supposedly, again, now we're close to a phase one deal again. Blah, blah, blah. Who knows? All I know is it's lunacy. Markets are up this morning. Hey, Jacques, just when you think we're going to get a December sell-off or a sell-off of sorts. Nice down day yesterday, but they started to bounce back. Resistance is between 5 and 11, but we could move back into 83.26. Guys, just quickly looking at futures. Dow futures are up 150. S&P is up 15 handles. NASDAQ's up 51.5 points. Russell's up 8.5 points. The VIX futures are down 4% at 1557, and VIX cash is down 6%, a little over 6% at 1496. So the VIX is beginning to retreat yet again. In any event, we're here. Dollar index is selling off. We do have 18,000 buyers overnight in the ES. We do have 3,200 buyers overnight in the NASDAQ, 16, almost 1,700 buyers in the YM. We have 1,600 buyers currently in gold and 6,100 buyers in crude. Looks to me like we're looking for longs. I do have some of my bots on. Here's the euro, fellas. Euro's already gotten first target. This trade fired at 727. I also have the 6B on, but it won't take a trade. It's well into longs. I have dollar index on, but it's well into shorts. Won't take a trade unless we get a long. I do have the ES 15 range on, which is that high probability ES trade. Well into longs. Won't take a trade. I have the ES 15 minute is on, but again, will not take a trade unless it gets a short. Copper is on, will not take a trade unless it get a reversal. And natural gas I have on. Natural gas has already taken one trade today. Natural gas has hit both targets. This is that 5-minute original, the initial natural gas that we work with. So it took this trade here at 650, both targets. I do not have gold, crude, or the smaller time frames in the indices on. Send me an email, Pat. Send me an email. I believe it's in the member area already, but I'm not positive. It's an odd setting. Just send me an email. In fact, let me just check very quickly. Hang on, let me check. I may, if I haven't put it in, if it's not in here, I will. It's not. Yeah, it's not in there. I'll have it added, but if you send me an email. Guys, if you're here on trial, good morning and welcome. I know this whole week there is some frustration with the links. As I said yesterday, I goofed on the link. Good morning, Chris. Scott, good morning. Boy, that was an arduous task, but we solved it. You are now added to the member Skype. I have done this several times before where I missed checking the box, which allows for you guys to register once. And without that, of course, you guys have to register every day. What I am going to do this week on Friday, because the link is good for 2 weeks, this week and next, I'm going to cancel the link. And I'll make this announcement several times. I'm going to cancel the link on Friday. So the link that you have currently will be good for this week only. And I'm going to redo the link and obviously do it so that you only have to register once for all the sessions. And then you'll get your daily notice, etc. Make life easier for everybody. So let me quickly read the disclaimer. And we'll see if we can come up with something. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. We're good to go, guys. Watch silver. I would think silver should catch bid, but the euro is longs, guys. It's hit both targets, and now it's well above second target. The trailing stop is above second target, so it's basically a freebie trade at this point. Okay? I don't know, 5:30, Stephen?
TV's now going live with President Trump speaking in London following his meeting with Chancellor Merkel, saying that the two discussed Syria.
Dollar index spiked lower.
Spoke today.
Crude on the 500 tick is going to pull back, it looks like, fellas. I don't have it on, so if you guys are running it, here's your entry is 04. It looks like 04. There are sellers over the last 15 minutes in crude. Does it look like a short? It's trying to alert you guys to the chart. I don't have mine on yet. I don't have crude on yet. Here's your short, 04. First target hit. Okay, Scott, good for you. And here comes second target, fellas. Here comes that NASDAQ. We could come all the way down to 66. 82.65, 82.66, as low as 82.61. Remember that number from yesterday? 82.62? Anybody remember that? Almost a second target here, guys. Again, I don't have the bot on. As Ron would say, and he's not here yet, trust the bot. So for those of you that are, again, I should have had it on. I usually wait until 8:30, but it took this short. First target's hit and come into second target. Should get it. We have sellers. Guys, my gold is obviously now on. But that's two winning trades, fellas. Crude and gold. Yeah. I mean, that's 2 winning trades. I didn't have my crude on or gold. I'm probably going to. Nice job, Scott. You're ringing the till today. Nice job. Here's natural gas, guys. Anybody in gas? This is gas on the 5-minute. Anybody in natural gas? Okay. Anybody in RB? Gold needs to break up above this 84.7. Is anybody okay, Rich? I mean, this is again on the charts that okay, Joe, good guys. This is a highly profitable setting, that we've identified with RB. And actually it's not mine, it's one of the guys, but you've got natural gas going nicely. You've got RB going. Five ticks to first targets on gas. So here's gold trade, fellas. What I've done here, guys, is I've turned the trail off and manually moved it to break even. But first target is off. So it's got first target. Crude, I missed by a candle. And if I were sitting here and not at breakfast, I would have taken it manually. But be that as it may. Gasoline is up on the runner. $300. Good Lord. So I'm going to take one more off here, guys, and I'll have the runner. Target fill. All right, so I'm down to YM is long. So I've got the runner here, guys. I'll leave the runner on. We'll see what we get. We're not getting a ton of movement in gold today. Here's the YM and the 500 tick. The gold buy before. Yeah, I did. I took it in my account. It was a losing trade. Good morning, John. Here we go. High of the day. Shawang! That's a turkey dinner, fellas. Cha-cha-ching. Got first target on that YM trade. Guys, if we get above 14 quarter, my final target is 26. 26. 26. 26, fellas. 26. This is a $400 runner. We are, I don't know what's getting targets, guys. We are, YM got both targets. 26 target. 26. 26. 83.26. We are a 2-trade and done day. 8 for me. That's it. I will not be calling any more trades. 80. We get to 26. That's my goal. Okay. 26. Trade them as you see fit, guys. Okay. You're done for the day? Nice. There you go, Rob. Nice. Man, we got to 18. I still think we see 26, boys. 2 and through. Nice job, Chris. That's right. I mean, guys, listen. If we get that final target, it's a big day. Now, again, these are order flow trades. This is not a bot trade. You can take a 13 long if you want to add into it. If you're already out, you can take a 13 long. If you guys want to add into it, thank you, Jeff. If you want to add into it, it's a 13 long. You don't believe me? This will go to 26. It's consolidating here. Let it go to 26. That's my final trade, fellas. Thank you, Shahid. Target on the NQ, you have 83.30. Okay. I have 26. I'll meet you in the middle. I mean, if we get above 37, it's skyrockets in flight. 13's your next entry if anybody wants it. 13. That's right, Jim. That's right. Going old school. Pulling out the old time, late 70s, early 80s tunage. Building a bull flag here, guys. I will add into this trade. You scumbag. Get up there. I will take a long at, all right, I'm going to take these. Yeah, I see it. I may take these ticks here, fellas. There's only 270 sellers. I mean, there's nobody selling. On the bigger time frames, we're just pulling back into the middle of a 15-minute candle. We're not doing anything. But I've given back 10 handles. All right, I'm out of here. Now I got to find another trade. God darn it. All right, 2 trades up 550. I will, fellas, I promise. That was bogus. There you go, guys. Well, gold's got a direction. Yeah, the 500 tick, Tariq. First target's off. We're consolidating in here in the NQ. We're going higher, guys. I don't know if any of you guys trade the dollar index, but it got target. First target. It's the first trade we've had on it today. 3 minute. Yeah, I'm ready for CL. So you got the long in the 15 range. And you got the long on the 3 minute. If the 3 minute gets above that 15, it's going to target. But crude looks like it wants to pull back, but I am not taking shorts. I don't trust shorts on crude. So I'm going to start shutting some of these bots off. So let me give you some totals. Okay? I'm going to it's already shut off now. I shut off YM. YM has taken just the one trade up $455. Okay? YM is done. I'm done with YM. I'm going to shut off the Russell on the 15 range, which took no trades. That's done. 0 trades. 15 range. I'm going to shut off this NASDAQ high probability on the 15 minute. Did not take a trade today. That's off. I am going to shut off this 987 tick on gold. Also a high probability trade. Did not take a trade. That's off. Okay, no trades on that today. I am shutting off crude on the 5 minute. Did not take a trade. That's off. Done. I'm going to shut off the euro. One trade for 256.25. That's done. I am shutting off the 6B. No trades today. That's done. Okay. I am going to shut off the dollar index up 130. One trade. They're small, guys. It's $5 instrument. Up $130 on the dollar index. Nothing to write home about. I am going to shut off copper. No trades on copper today. Nothing. I'm going to shut off the ES on the 15-minute high probability trades. Very few of these. No trades. It's off. I am going to shut off the ES on the 15 range. Another high probability trade. We've had one this week. Shut off. I am shutting off the ES on the 5-minute chart. No trades. It's off. My YM is off, Tariq. I just said that. It's off. Okay? It's off. One trade. I didn't get this anyways. One trade. I'm done. I'll take the 455 in DD Mao. I'm going to shut silver off. Big trade, but it was at 445. That's a huge several $1,000 trade. I'm out. Done. I shut off the 3-minute on the NASDAQ. It's done. Okay? Now, I am leaving the Russell 500 tick on. I don't know why I didn't get this, but I should have a trade. It's down 305. I'm leaving that on. I'm going to leave gold on the 500 tick. I'm going to leave crude on. Crude is now up 30 whole dollars, but back from the negative. Okay, I'm leaving that on. I am also going to leave on RB, which is down 256.20. I will leave gasoline on. This is a pullback, 11 o'clock, and then it should go long. Natural gas on the 3-minute. This should never have fired a trade. Against a 5-minute? How did that take a trade? That should... Oh, I'm on long only. Duh. I'm on long only. Thank you. That's the trade. That's a high this is the high probability. Against that trend. It should be on trend only, though. My mistake. I had it on the wrong setting. So I'm leaving some of these on, guys, in the hopes that they will rectify some of these negatives throughout the day before I close the room. I'll shut off the NASDAQ. I will shut off the NASDAQ 15 range. It only made $230 today. Tough on trend days, guys. That's off. But here's crude again. 2 ticks from first target. And I still think this will see 70. Couple ticks. We've got to be up near the high of the day. We are. So that first target is actually a tick above. I don't know, Rob, I don't know. Honestly, I think the Asian session is a better session than ours.